Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I'm going to show you how to calculate overtime of staff. So basically overtime is when we done overshift, then we are eligible for overtime. In case of labor, we are eligible for overtime. And how do we calculate overtime? So here is the start time and here is the end time of overtime. So what we are going to do, we are going to subtract these two, and you can see I'm getting my answer in hours and minutes. So and drag and drop, but there is one problem in it. I will tell you the problem after 2 minutes. And now, what if I will calculate the hourly rate, multiply by this one, and try to get my overtime? So my hourly rate is 300 rupees, and if I'm going to multiply this 300 rate to hour and minute, so what is what would be happen, the result would be this one multiply by this one, 49 rupees. So hourly rate is 300 rupees and my employees has worked 3 hours 56 seconds, so 3 hours 56 minutes, but still it is taking 49 rupees. So he's not going to take this money. Now what I need to do, we need to calculate the actual difference, because the problem is it is format error. When I'm going to convert into general, so it shows like this. So whenever we are talking about time difference, so it always shows the time difference in decimals. So when we are talking about hours, so we need to multiply this by 24, because this is a number format, and in number format 12 a.m. is considered as 0 and 12 p.m. is considered as 12. Then after 12 hours it would be 24, so we need to multiply this 24 and convert into general format. And now drag and drop. It is not showing answer in hours and minute, but it is only showing the hours. So you can multiply this one, multiply by this one, and this is the actual overrate which my employee deserves. So keep enjoying and keep learning.